Be patient. Everything in life will go exactly how it's supposed to go. At times you will feel like an outcast, that you don't fit in, but you will discover that being your own clique will be your strongest attribute. In life, you're going to face many challenges, many moments of adversity. There are going to be a lot of successes and some failures too. Those moments are going to create your character, build your integrity, and they will become your beauty marks. On your journey in life, you may hear a lot more no's than yeses, but you'll let those moments motivate you, and those that said no will eventually wish they would have said yes. And to every girl listening out there, you will forever be empowered by knowing that no one, absolutely no one, can close the door that God has opened for you.
Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. Today is Tuesday, which means tomorrow is my Friday. Tomorrow is Wednesday, you guys. Tonight is our last night with Caramel. Caramel will be going to a new home. Hopefully it's a great home. Excuse my edges, they're kind of, you know, flaking a little bit. I've had this wig on for a hot minute. Baby Royal is right here. I just got home from work. Say hey, mama. Say hey, y'all. Say hi. And I'm about to have me a bite to eat. Also, I think in here, I think her tablet ended up coming, so I'm going to open this up because I think it's my baby's tablet, okay? So that she don't have to watch my phones or my iPads anymore. Okay, she can watch her own. So let me put a battery in here super quickly because this camera is about to die, and I'm going to show y'all that tablet. Y'all, I wish I had time to do my nails or to get my nails done because they look so raggedy. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to open up this box here. Let's get this out of the camera just cut off on me, y'all, being rude. But I'm going to get this open so that my baby can watch her tablet. Okay. Ooh. Now, y'all, it took them so long to send this. It's been on delayed for so long. It was supposed to be here like a week ago. Okay, so I'm happy to finally get it. This is what it looks like. And originally on Amazon, this is like $100 and something. Girl, I ended up getting it for $50. That's why I did not want to cancel the order to get a refund, because I was like, girl, I got a good deal. Okay, so let me open this up and maybe she can use this tonight. I'm almost gonna kind of be doing like our night routine. I'm not sure if I said that. She's already taken a bath today. Sometimes she gets a bath during the day, sometimes I'll give her one at night, but today she's already taken one, so we're gonna skip that part. Oh, it's cute. Oh, she's gonna like it because it has like a little stand so she can, you know, watch her little educational videos. Oh, this is so nice. So I assumed that I wouldn't have to plug this up, but this is the Fire 7 for kids. Here is the charger and the brick. So yeah, let me plug this up for my baby. Also, y'all, I need to figure out what I want to eat. I low-key want to make me some pasta to take to work tomorrow. I like pasta because number one, it's very filling, and also it helps you to get those gains, girlfriend. So I'm thinking about making pasta. I'm not sure if I will or won't, but y'all gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna go plug this up. I actually might plug it up. Oh no, let's go ahead and take it in here where she's at and plug it up, because when it turns on, I want her to be able to use it. Okay, not that she really can, but I'll take it to where she needs it to be. Okay, let me see. Well, actually it might do better being out here. She's just in there playing with her little toys. Y'all, my baby is growing up so fast on me, and I'm just like, can time slow down, please? Can we slow down time? Also, I still have on the same wig. If you guys watched my last, oops, if y'all watched my last wig review, this is the same wig, inches, baby. Oh, oh. This is the same exact wig, and I'm loving it. It was only 30 bucks, so I'm gonna give me like 2 more of these. But I've been on AliExpress recently, if you guys watched my previous vlog, and I got an AliExpress wig, so I can't wait to try that. But let's plug her little tablet up, you guys, and let it rip. Let it rip. I don't think that's what I want to use right there. Yeah, I'm feeling kind of sad about Caramel leaving. I know you guys said, oh, she's deaf. There were a couple of comments saying that she's deaf, but she's not deaf, you guys. She just does not like to listen to authority. That does not make her deaf. That just means she don't like to listen to authority. But she knows her name. She hears her name. When she hears her name, she's gonna come running, okay? Anything that she hears that she wants to hear, she's coming, honey. But she don't want nothing to do with rules and authority. So that part she ain't coming for. So you guys, it's loading up. It's not super big. I think it's probably about like the size of a phone, maybe a little bit bigger. I guess I'll set it up for her. Well, I don't really feel like doing this right now. I'm gonna let it, you know, charge for a minute, and I'm gonna go ahead and get me some food on my stomach because your girl is starving. So y'all, I always brush my teeth before I take a shower. I don't know, I just don't like getting toothpaste on my face after I washed it. It's one of my pet peeves. I don't know. Baby girl has the hiccups, so she normally gets really irritated when she gets hiccups, so hopefully she'll let me shower and not really worry too much about the hiccups. I'm going to try to show y'all some of the stuff that I'm going to use in the shower super duper quickly. So if baby girl let me do that, y'all finna see. Y'all finna see.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Feels so wondering. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. Does nothing move forward? It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Always stay together, stay together, stay together. I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, I'll be thinking this through.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is 5:37 a.m. and y'all know your girl is getting ready to go to work. You woke mama? You woke beautiful? She just wakes up smiling, y'all. You woke beautiful. Look at your baby. Say hello. Say I'm woke. Oh yeah, she scratched her face right there. You guys can see. Yeah, that's my sweet girl. You woke? She just wake up smiling. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to get ready to go to work. I'm kind of sad this morning because this morning is Caramel's last, well, she doesn't even have a full day here. I think at 12 she is leaving. You guys, she is getting, did you just fart? You farty, you stinky girl. She's getting ready to go to her new home. I'm gonna miss Caramel a lot. Y'all know that was my baby when I was pregnant, and yeah, I'm gonna miss her. But you know, all good things come to an end, and well, not all good things, some good things stick around. But Caramel is just a wild child, and hopefully she goes to a home where, you know, they can keep up with her and just be good to her, basically. That's all that I can really say. So yeah, I'm feeling kind of down about that, but it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right, okay? So I'm gonna try not to dwell too much on it today because I don't want to be emotional. And I guess I thought about it so much that I ended up having 2 dreams about it this morning. When I woke up and went back to sleep, I had 2 dreams about it, y'all. I guess I was just on overload. Look, y'all, I got sleep lines. I was sleeping so good. So yeah, I feel bad, but yeah. And like I tell my mama this every day, girl, when I move out of this house in a few months, ain't none of them come with me. So you know what, I just gotta keep on pushing. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning to you. Yeah. Y'all, she be trying to figure this camera out so she don't want to smile. Look, you can see yourself. Say hello.
Hey, so indeed, from the indeed, yeah, hey, yeah. I see you looking like a snack. Let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby. You could be one. Let me change your life. I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with him. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with him. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hopping away and I stay in it. I beat it up, I don't play in it. I bust it up, then lay in it. Let's go again, you okay with it? I'm parked up, valeting it. Shoot my shot and I'm draining it. I'm Steph Curry, ain't playing this. I don't know what you cost, but I'm paying it. All options, I'm weighing it. If I'm going in, I'm staying in. A king bag, come laying it. Day and night, it's the way of life. I'll weigh you out, then take you out to the Waffle House for some steak and eggs. Pulling up, then we hopping out. Got you walking out with the wobble legs. Wait, girl, I peeped you looking like a baddie, you a diva. Pretty face, caramel skin like a Leah. Saw that fatty poking from the back like Serena. So let me see some. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He's not damn, don't play with him. She's not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He's not damn, don't play with him. She's not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Yeah, bad little John, she pressure. Know that I got you forever. Love her, she got it together. Switching it up when she want, yeah. I seen it the day that I met her. Rocking it off like sweater. Shoes, Bottega Veneta. Hey, yeah. Know you got it, girl. Set the bar, then shot it, yeah. Slip and slide it, yeah. Ain't tricking unless you got it, yeah. Can't break that bond, match the charms, and unless she wear everything done, we done did it and we took it there, cause I see you looking like a snack. Let me see some. You are the wifey type. Maybe you could be one. Make me change your life. I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with him. She's not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. She is not damn, don't play with him. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it.
So you guys, your girl is here at the Mercedes-Benz of Memphis. There was some kind of recall, so I'm here to get that fixed. I'm married. So I'm gonna wait until they get done, and then I may go somewhere else. I'm not sure, but right now I'm here. So I don't know if I told y'all or not. I think I did. I think I did when I was in there. I am at, what was it? The Mercedes-Benz dealership. There was some kind of recall with my car. Y'all, they can just rearranged everything around here. Okay, let me put this back in. Anyways, I'm at the dealership. They had some type of recall on shoot, what was the recall on? Brakes, I want to say. So I came in here to get that serviced, but there was nothing wrong with my brakes. I was one of the people that I guess did not have that issue, so this was basically a moot point, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry, right? So I'm about to head to the house. There isn't anything out here in these streets, so for me, I don't mind this wig, like I don't dislike it, but I feel like the straight hair, I don't know y'all, like I just prefer my wavy hair that I just had. But there's nothing wrong with this, I just prefer my wavy hair. But anyways, I've been here for almost 2 hours now. Well, maybe an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the house, and y'all, I got something I want to talk to y'all about because it's been, you know, on my mind, on my heart. So I guess I'll do that when I get home because I want to jam and listen to my music, girlfriend. But y'all will see me in a minute. So y'all, your girl has been home for a while. I actually just woke up from a nap. I think I told you guys that they said that it was nothing wrong with my car. So I came home, I took a nap with baby girl, and we both just woke up. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get baby girl dressed and ready for the day. I have a lot of things to still do today, and it is now 3:25 p.m. I'm gonna pull out some clothes and put them on her. Y'all, this is one of my last times I'm gonna be wearing cheap wigs. Okay, I slapped this one on because I'm trying to get through all of the wigs that I have left, because baby, I'm finna slap on that real deal Holyfield. Okay, so I'm about to take this one off and replace it, but nonetheless, I'm about to get baby girl all dressed. She's over there smiling at me. Hey bubby, hey bubby. So let me get her dressed. Let me pick her out a fit because I don't know what I want to put on my baby, and it's actually kind of warmer out today, so